Hello and welcome to my channel Classic Coding Studio. I am KK Singh and today I am here with the same problem or the same topic, linear regression. And last time we discussed a problem with age and the height, and this time I am going to discuss another program. Here there is a data set of house prices where we have two columns. One is the area of the house and other is the prices related to the house. So here there are some samples like if the home area or house area of 2600 square feet, the price 55 lakhs, and if the home area is 30,000, then the price is 56.5 lakhs, and so on. And if I want to buy any house in this range or beyond this range, I would like to predict the value of that area which I am going to buy. So here, without wasting much time on this discussion, we move to our working window. So here, this is the window. First thing, I'll have to import the libraries like import pandas as pt. Let's zoom the screen. Okay. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and scikit-learn library import sklearn dot linear model as lm. Okay, so I have imported all the libraries, executed and imported in the program, and with this I am going to upload a dataset, and this is the dataset I am going to use. Okay, now it's time to create a data frame. So df is equal to pd dot read csv home price dot csv. If the file is loaded, then we'll see whether data frame is created or not. Let's see. This data frame is created. So this is the data frame which has two columns like area and prices. So first we would like to create a graph which will show the linear regression line. So plt dot scatter df area comma df prices comma, I'm taking the color also, color is equal to red, comma marker is equal to say plus. Let's see what does this give. So here this gives the graph, and here we can visualize that some actual points are beyond the best fit line. Create the line if we create the line from this point to this point. So we observe that 2 points, two actual points are below the predicted value line or regression line. But it's still, it is good, and we can use mean squared error also from this regression line and actual values. So we'll see that later. And this time I'm going to create the linear regression model. For that I'll have to import, no, not required. I have already imported it. So regression is equal to linear model dot linear regression. Let's see, that regression object is created. Now it's time to train the model. So reg dot fit df area comma df dot prices. Yes, model is trained. Now we can predict the area, the value of the area selected. So I'm going to predict the value of the area which is not there in the list. So I'm going to take 3300. So what should be the value or the price of 3300 square feet? So reg dot predict. I'm taking 3300, and it should be 2D array. Yes, it is showing 62.87 lakhs. So this is the price. I have also have a list, data list, which is having some areas, and I wanted to predict the related cost or the prices of that areas. So I'll have to upload that file also. I'm going to upload that file. So it is areas.csv. Yes, areas CSV is uploaded, and I am going to create one another data frame, which is df1 dot read CSV areas dot CSV pt dot read CSV. So here new data frame is created. If you want to see, then I can see it like this, df1, and I wanted to predict the values of these areas. So how to predict? Because model is already trained. So reg dot predict. Let me see what is the column name, area, df1 and area. So these are the predicted values, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create or export this data to the file. So how to export? And before that, I'm going to take another column, prices, I'm taking these prices in some variable which I have taken P, and then so now the prices are stored in column prices and P. Perfect. If I want to print it, df1, it will show the areas and corresponding prices. So if I want to export this data frame to a CSV, so I can export like to df1 dot to CSV, and file name I'm going to take as new prices dot CSV. Let's see. Okay. So new prices dot CSV is created now. Let's see whether it has come. Yes, it is there. New prices dot CSV. If I open this, let me check what are the values. Yes. So this is the data frame or the CSV file which I have created through the program, and now I'm going to download it, and so after downloading the file, I'll get this file. So area and prices, and here we can see the indexes. So if you do not own the indexes, then you can suppress the indexes using the command comma index is equal to false. Now see, and new prices, download. So see here, indexes are deleted. So this is a program, this is another program. Hope you understood the concept of linear regression. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.